our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to Pixellab design channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can design a seamless carousel logo using Pixellab. A logo like this, something like this, seamless carousel logo, whereby you'll be having your logo on different pages without any cut, which will look perfect like this. And you can as well use this for something like this. You can see, like I pinned it on my Instagram page. So how you can create a seamless carousel logo just like the one I've shown you using your Pixellab app. So the next thing we'll be doing now is that we'll be moving to our Pixellab app. So once you've reached your Pixellab app, you select the background you want to use. I'll be using white background for this. So the next thing you are going to do is that you create a logo. Once you create a logo, all you just have to do is that I already have the logo available here. I've created the logo. So all you just have to do is to click your logo. You must have your logo like this. So all you just have to do is that you hide this name, and the next thing is that I'll be increasing the size of this. So let's increase the size. So we'll be placing it like this. You make sure it is well placed. Place it at the center like this. Place it at the center like that. You save this, save as image. Let's save this as image. So after you must have saved that, the next thing you'll be doing is that the same logo, you move it like this. You move it like this. If you study vividly, we stopped at G here. We stopped here. We stopped here where I'm placing this line. That is the place we stopped. So the next thing you'll be doing is that you make sure the logo, the part that will be covered now, will be from this place. You can see. So will be from this place. So the next one will be from this place where we stopped there. So you place it like that, and make sure it is placed at the middle as well. You make sure you place it at the middle. So the next thing we'll be doing is that we'll be making the name. We'll be making it visible now. So let's make the name visible. So the next thing we'll be doing now is that we will have to increase this as well. So let's just increase this. So after we must have increased this, we'll place it just like we want it to be. So let's increase this as well. So you place this as well. Let's increase this as well. So after you must have placed it like this, you save again. You save your image again. So you save your image. Save as image. So you save your image again.
cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you
So after saving your image again, you can see looking at this, you can see we stopped at D here for color day, and for the graphics we stopped on H. So the next thing we'll be doing now is that we hide this logo, then we'll be moving this. Color day. Let's move the color day. So for color day we'll be stopping, we'll be covering D. So like that, and for these graphics we'll be covering, or we'll be stopping on H. And for these creativity, and for this creativity out of imagination, we'll be stopping on A.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.
So just like this, and then if you see, I put a copyright logo there. So let's just put the copyright logo there. So we save this as well. We save it as image.
With every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means.
So after saving it like this, let's just check this out in our gallery. Let's check it out.
Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own.
And let me arrange it in a folder, so we'll be checking it out how it looks like. So let's check the folder now. So looking at this, you can see this is what we've just created. So that is just how you can, looking at this, the one on top, you can see this is just what we've just created. So that is how you can just create a seamless carousel logo with the help of your Pixellab app using your smartphone. Thanks for watching.